Hey everybody, it's Tarina again, and Adele, and Linda. Ta-da! 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 So, Linda brought some t-shirts that she wanted to ink on, and she has this awesome black t-shirt that we're going to do, the Victorian skull. So this will be the second time today that we are actually using the Victorian skull. We did the round board with the gold trim, and now we're gonna do an inking project because we have to have all the t-shirts. I was telling Linda and Adele that I was doing my laundry today, and I noticed that now my laundry is pretty much all t-shirts done with Chalk Couture transfers, and that's not a problem with me, seriously. Hey everybody, hi Katrina, hi Katrina. Adele and Becky and Melanie. Hi everybody. I feel like, romper room. Oh, who do I see today, everybody? So if you would like to show your friends the video, Facebook doesn't like the word share, but share. Because sharing is caring, right? But I would really appreciate that. We all love sharing. Hello, Steph. Hi, Melanie. Oh, I already said hi, Melanie, but hi again, Melanie. So anyway, we're gonna do this. Again, this is the third time I've used this. Now this will be the first time I am doing this on an ink project. So we're gonna be using this. I'm gonna turn the project down, or the iPad down, so you can see everything. Don't mind my messy kitchen. And yes, we are inking and chalking in the kitchen today. So just so you know, I've already put the ink mat inside. Let me fix this really fast. Sorry. I've already put the ink mat inside my shirt, the shirt that I'm working on. I have my Cricut Easy Press already set at 350, and I'm ready to go. When you're inking, you don't have to, you don't actually have to fuzz your transfer, but because this is not a new transfer, I don't have to do that anyway. I'm just gonna put this right down where I want it. I already figured out before I am doing this where I want the transfer to go. You want to get it as flat as you possibly can. I did just kind of run the Easy Press over it so that it was really flat. I still have my chalk piece down. It's fine. It's fine. If you also, we've done this in the past. If you think that you're gonna have an issue with getting that chalk or the ink over the side of your transfer, get some blue tape and tape down the sides. With what I'm gonna do, I don't think I'm gonna have to really worry too much about it, but because there's such a fine line, like a very definitive line, that I don't want it to look like it's cut right there. So I'm gonna actually come back and feather it with a paintbrush afterwards. So I don't really worry too much about getting over, but I do want that nice and flat. If you can grab me out some whites, that would be cool. Thanks. Somebody's talking to me. Somebody tagged me. That's what that means. So I am using white and gold, and I know I'm gonna get like 100 questions, but when ink first came out, it came in these 2-ounce jars. We got these at Leadership a couple years ago, and so they don't come in 2-ounce jars at all. They come in 3-ounce jars with white lids. So this is ink, but it says like it's a gold ink, gold shimmer ink. But this is the old way. Oh, my husband came home with dinner because he knows. He's so good. All right, so I'm gonna do this exactly the same way I did before. I'm gonna load up my squeegee. I'm just gonna go for it. Just going for it, just doing it. Just do it. Just going over everything.
Glad you came over, Linda.
Yeah, me too. Just really loading up all of paste all over. Any excess goes back in the container. And wipe that off really fast. Nice thing about ink in comparison to paste is you don't have to hurry super fast because the ink won't dry until it's set. So that is one bonus about ink. But I do warn you that if you get ink on your hands, make sure that you wipe it off. Almost like the speckle technique, right? You want it everywhere. This gonna look so awesome. I'm so
Oh my gosh, as soon as she said it, I was like, oh my god.
I am so excited.
We talked about doing it this morning, and then Linda shows up and says, I want to put this on a shirt. We're like, yes.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely.
For sure.
My only problem is going to be that I can't wear that every day of the show.
This is true. So I'm just smoothing this over the transfer, just like I would with the chalk paste. I am going back and forth a little bit, just to kind of smush that gold and white together. Smush. It's a Tarina-ism, I'm just gonna say.
One of my favorite Tarina-isms is de-stickify.
De-stickify. A lot of people use de-stickify. We learned some Curtisms this weekend, didn't we?
Oh, yes. Can you say them on camera?
Yes.
He's a pay attentioner.
Yeah, he is a pay attentioner. That's a Curtism.
Yes.
He's awesome. He's the bestest ever. Now, I don't think I would do this with with a chalk paste, going back and forth, but I really want to blend that ink, the white and the gold.
It'll be like no two t-shirts or...
No, it really won't. Every one is going to be, and actually even the surfaces that I did are totally different than the other one.
Yep. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it.
Me too. I'm like, oh. So you still do want to wipe off any excess ink.
Would the 4-inch be too hard for this on a shirt?
I don't use the 4-inch because
It would pull it, right?
It pulls it, and that's why I tend to use like this one or the angled squeegee generally. Only for that reason, because it tends to stretch. I know people have done it and it's possible. I personally don't. I wash my hands really fast.
I'm real excited. Super excited.
It just looks like a big old goldish white blob. Double check your hands.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Holy cow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I freaking love it.
So cool.
I love it. Show us some hearts if you love this as much as we do.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did want to kind of
That is just a one of a kind.
It really
so
is.
pretty.
So I'm going to just kind of blend a little bit. I just don't want the harsh lines. Just smooth them out just a little bit, just to kind of. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I'm doing it all. Just kind of hold this in a little bit. So freaking awesome.
You can't buy it.
No, you cannot buy this.
I bet you get lots of compliments.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
I love showing off shirts at shows, so I'm kind of thinking we should do something on the back, like keep it real or something
That is the Club Couture.
from last month. Yeah.
Mhm. The new Club Couture just came out. I haven't even posted it yet.
But you know what it
I
is.
do.
It's really
It's
cool.
a big acorn. It is adorable. I'm just softening the edges is all I'm doing and pulling that color a little tiny bit.
Having done the real silk screening, to me this is so amazingly easy.
It really is. It is so easy.
What about on the bottom, Trina? Do you want to?
And I kind of did, but I didn't fill in those like.
Oh, I see.
In the big open
Yeah.
area, I didn't do that.
If you're catching this on the replay, #replay.
And make sure to share, because this is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I have to think about what we're doing. All right, so we're gonna set this. Close this up real fast. Because you don't want to get the colors on anything else. And then we're going to take. Yeah, if you want to just grab
Which part?
the,
Shirt or the?
the sticky.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh.
That gold makes such a difference.
Well, and the
Gave
white's
it, like,
just
depth.
perfect. It looks like an perfect patina. I know that word. Yes, I do know that word.
You're so good. Okay, good. Alright. So we are going to show you. Isn't that incredible? So beautiful.
That's so cool. Like glows.
Yeah.
In the camera, you can see it glowing.
So all I'm going to do really fast is just kind of temporarily set this. And this is just a heat gun, and I'm just putting it on hot. Not too close, you don't want to burn your fabric. Get some parchment paper. I have to turn it back around to me. Parchment over. And not wax paper. I had somebody make that mistake and use wax paper, you don't want to do that. Parchment paper. You want it for 30 seconds. But because this is so big, we're going to go over it like square by square. It's just because the image itself is 18 inches by 18 inches.
And this sets it enough to, you can just wash it, regular.
Uh-huh. Yeah, in fact, the shirts that I just made for the last show, I set it and I just washed them. I don't dry my shirts, just, I don't know why, I've never dried my shirts. And, but I just washed them, I wash them on coal, and I just use regular soap, nothing fancy. Air dry them on a make sure I don't have any like wrinkles in my fabric. I say ironing, it's just it's a heat press is what it is. You could do this with an iron for sure. Four minutes on each side with an iron. So you have to go like 4 minutes here, 4 minutes here. Give it one more little go over because it is a big area. Alright. Oh my god. So cool. It really is so cool. Alright. There you go. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm not a fan of skulls, but I really like this transfer. I think it's the whole Victorian vibe. I think that's what I love about it. So anyway, thank you for joining us. Again, this has been Tarina and Adele and Linda from Create Retreat. That's me. And we'll see you probably again tonight because it's a Chalkathon marathon. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.
Bye. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.